Welcome to Jimmy's Repairs. On this video I have a 2015 Audi A3 complaining about creaking in the suspension. So we're going to lift her up in the air, buzz the wheels off, and we're going to check it for anti-roll bar, which I think is the problem. So we're going to do that now. Oga doga! 17 socket. Pull the wheel caps off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the drop link here, same on the far side, and I'm going to check the anti-roll bar to see if it's making noise on the bushings. There's the anti-roll bar there. Both drop links are disconnected. So I'm going to take it off and I'm going to put in the new one, and hopefully that should cure any noises. I'm going to take off this splash guard here. That's why you leave that one on till last. Two bolts here. This one the anti-roll bar bushing down. So these, take them out. You'll see I might have to drop the subframe as well to make it easier. On typical Irish way. The top bolt here on the subframe, we're just going to go with a extension bar, 18mm socket, and a big gun. Now I'll get the transmission jack just to take the weight of the subframe. Remove these 213s for the exhaust hanger. Now with the subframe lowered, steering rack disconnected, you can just findangle this out of the way. That is the old one out. Brand new one, genuine Volkswagen part, because you can't get them any other way. So that hand goes in first, and then that hand in. Yeah, sometimes it's easier to take them out than it is to put them back in. Transmission jack again to lift the subframe back up into position. I do like to put in all the bolts loosely. Is everything tightened up? Now we're going to put back on all the plastic guards, splash guards, and connected. So now we're going to connect, fit the anti-roll bar to the drop link. And that's it, done. Wheels back on, out the gap. So now that's it for another video of that. This is done, ready to go. If you like this sort of content, give us a like, subscribe, and comment, and see you on the next one.